Good evening, kindred spirits. I am Ishmael, and tonight, let's embark on an introspective voyage, diving deep into the essence of our inner selves and the boundless potential we hold to emanate goodness and light. Life in its myriad forms is a dance of experiences, choices, and emotions. Each one of us is on a distinct path, a journey that is both deeply personal and universally resonant. Within this journey lies a profound truth, our inherent ability to touch lives, inspire souls, and create ripples of positive change. Reflect upon Mahatma Gandhi, who with his unwavering belief in nonviolence led a nation to freedom. Or ponder upon the tale of a teacher who with her unwavering dedication transformed the lives of countless students, instilling in them the value of kindness and compassion. Every interaction, every gesture is a canvas upon which we can paint strokes of positivity. From the act of lending a listening ear to someone in distress, to championing causes that uplift each other, our communities, all to endeavor to do good, creates a cascade of positivity that can transform the world. Think back to a time when a word of encouragement uplifted your spirits, or when an unexpected act of kindness brightened your day. Now envision the collective magic we can weave if each and every single one of us chooses to be a beacon of positivity for another. The possibilities are truly infinite. Our individual journeys, while unique, are also deeply interconnected. Recognizing this interwoven tapestry allows us to foster a sense of unity, amplifying our individual efforts into a harmonious chorus of positive change. So how do we navigate this journey with mindfulness and purpose? It starts with introspection. By diving deeper into our core, understanding our passions, and aligning with our values, we can channel our actions towards a greater good. This alignment not only brings inner peace, but also magnifies our positive impact. Furthermore, embraces the transformative power of gratitude. By cherishing the gifts of life, we nurture a heart full of abundance. This abundance propels us to give selflessly, love unconditionally, and rise above all challenges.
I have rights. I have the right of education. I have the right to play. I have the right to sing. I have the right to talk. I have the right to go to market. I have the right to speak up.
Considering Malala Yousafzai, who after facing life-threatening adversity, became a beacon of hope and education for girls worldwide. Similarly, after facing immense personal challenges, Stephen Hawking used his brilliance to unravel the mysteries of the universe, inspiring millions. Lastly, remain open to the lessons life offers. Every twist and turn, every high and low, is a stepping stone towards growth, brimming with opportunities to radiate goodness and light. As we traverse this path with mindfulness, gratitude, and a learner's heart, we not only enrich our souls, but also cast a luminous glow on the world around us. Thank you for sharing this moment of reflection with me. As we journey forward, let's pledge to be harbingers of goodness, illuminating our path and those of others with hope, love, and boundless positivity. May this message resonate deeply within your heart. My name is Ismael Perez. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.